For recontoured, re-energized eyes, in the morning before SPF and at night after your skincare routine, take eye cream with the spatula. Dividing it between each eye, put a dot above and below, and spread out gently in a lifting motion with the third and fourth fingers of each hand. To intensify the effect of the eye cream, use the platinum-coated massager. Hold the massager gently and do not apply pressure until the final step. To target under eye bags, softly glide the massager under the eye from the inner corner outward. Repeat 6 times for each eye. To help smooth lines, wrinkles, and drooping, move in small circular motions from the outer corner to the temple. Be gentle and light, repeating 3 times for each eye. Finally, to help reduce puffiness, rest the massager in the inner upper corner of the eye, beside the bridge of the nose. Hold for a few moments, applying a little pressure. Then lightly glide the massager under the eyebrow, stopping at the outer edge. Place the massager under the eye and sweep back to the starting point. There, apply gentle pressure. Repeat for a total of 3 times on each eye. To help improve firmness, you can also stimulate the facial muscles. Start and end with this relaxed expression. Slowly open the eyes wide, raising the eyebrows. Hold for a few seconds before lowering eyelids until half closed. Again, holding for 5 seconds. For an extra boost of vitality and a special treatment, apply the eye mask once or twice a week. Hydrated, awakened, reinvigorated, the windows to renewal.